Hi, welcome students. Yesterday we had a short discussion on the new lesson organisms and populations. Living world is fascinatingly diverse and complex amazingly. Complexity in the living world can be understood in the processes at various level of biological organization such as macromolecules, cells, tissues, organs, and much ahead at the level of individual organism, population, communities, ecosystem, and biome. To have a better understanding of the topic, we have to observe our surrounding and we may hear bulbul singing early morning in our garden. We may ask how does the bird sing or why does the bird sing. These how and why type questions uh, need to be understood, and it seeks a mechanism behind the process, while why type questions seek the significance of the process. For the first question in our example, the answer might be in terms of operation of the voice box and the vibrating bone in the bird, whereas the second question, the answer may lie in the bird's need to communicate with its mate during breeding season. Yesterday, I was talking of the uh, collective sounds produced by the frogs when there is sky full of black clouds and it is about to rain. It is the breeding call by the males. Such is the phenomena that we need to understand by our continuous observation. Similarly, when you observe nature around you with a scientific frame of mind, you will certainly come up with many interesting questions. Why are night blowing flowers generally white? How does the bee keep which flowers has nectar? Why does the cactus have so many thorns? Why does the chick recognize her own mother? How does the chick recognize her own mother? And so on. You have already learned in the previous classes that ecology is a subject which studies the interaction among organisms and between the organisms and its physical environment. Ecology is basically concerned with four level of biological organization, that is organism, population, community, and biome. In this chapter, we explore ecology at organismic and population level. So, this in this lesson, we have to discuss or we have to focus our discussion on the organism itself and its population, the interaction of organism with its population, and with the physical and chemical environment. Ecology at organismic level is essentially uh, physiological ecology. That is, if we talk of an organism with in the perspective of ecology, we have to see the organism and its environment. Not only this, the organism has to interact with the other organisms living in its surrounding also. So this is the physiological ecology, which tries to understand how different organisms are adapted to their environment in terms of not only survival but also reproduction. Here is the figure You can see here different biomes with respect to annual temperature and precipitation on the x-axis of the graph, whereas on the y-axis the mean annual temperature is recorded. And you find here the desert ecosystem, grassland ecosystem, tropical forest ecosystem, temperate forest ecosystem, coniferous forest, and arctic and alpine tundra. So this is the distribution, biome distribution with respect to annual temperature and precipitation. The formation of major biomes such as desert, rainforest, and tundra can be seen here. Regional and local variation within each biome lead to the formation of wide variety of habitat. Major biomes in India is shown in figure 13.2 in your NCERT book. On the planet Earth, life exists not just in a few favorable uh, habitat, but even in extreme and harsh habitat. Scorching Rajasthan desert, perpetually rain soaked Meghalaya forest, deep ocean trenches, torrential stream, etc. This much in this video. We shall discuss the remaining part in the next video. Okay, thank you.